this video I'm going to show you how to use the Nuclei tool. This tool is helpful for the bug bounty hunters and the BT. It helps us to find a vulnerability and the bugs in the domain we have. So we're just going to start by typing the name. Like this. You can just type the name of the tool like this here in the Firefox. In the first result we have, and we scroll down here, and we are just gonna copy this command over here, go to the terminal and start downloading this. So as you can see here, I have the tool. So when you start the tool, he's gonna show you two versions, one for the tool and the other one are for the template. Now let's say that the tool is out to date and also the templates. How we can update this? We can use this flag. This for updating the tool itself, and we can use this flag, the UT, for updating the templates. Now we have the latest version here, so we don't need that, but we are gonna start like this. We're gonna type the domain we have. And this will start the search. As you can see here, is using also the HTTPX tool. The HTTPX tool is checking the URL or the domain if it is valid or not, like what is the status code of the domain that we have. So here this tool is going to start from the severity of low until he get to the critical. So we're gonna back here. Let's see what the templates we have. He has a big template here to use. For an example, we have the HTTP template. Okay, in the HTTP template we have the OSINT, we have the takeovers, we have the CV. Like the CV, we have all of these years. So when I type this command right here, like this, it's gonna check every template one by one. So as I told you here, the first result is info, and he's gonna move on to the low. So let's say as a bug bounty hunter or BT, I want the tool to start from the low or a medium. I don't want to see a results of info. So we can type like this: severity, low, medium, and high. You can also add the critical. Again, he checked the URL using the HTTPX. Then meanwhile we can see what we have in the template. We have in the network template we have the honeypot. Also the CVE. As you can see here, the first result we have is the low, and this is the name of the vulnerability we have. So if we don't know what this means, we can just copy this, go to the Firefox, type this here, and we can read on this vulnerability and we can report this. So again, a useful flag we can use is this flag RLD. Now RLD, it's mean how many time, like, or how much time it's gonna wait between the request. So here this one is in the second. If I want it in minutes, I can put the M here, so I can just put in seconds, like 3, and start searching. So in here he's gonna send the first request, wait 3 seconds, and send the other request, and like that it's gonna take time to find the result and in the searching. But it's helpful to it's helpful because it's gonna stop the domain that you search from blocking you, or from the firewall in this domain to stop you or blocking you. So we can use this flag. Okay, as you can see, the low another flag we can use is the TL. It's gonna show us all the available templates that we have in the tool. As you can see, we have a large template here. So another flag we can use here, if we don't want the tool to search and all of the templates here. Now let's say I just want to use the HTTP template. You can use the flag T, HTTP. So to use one template, we have to go to the place of all of the templates. So you can use the command find to search for the where the tool save the template. So on my machine here, saved it on root local. As you can see, Nuclei template, and I want to use the HTTP, so I can use the all of the HTTP, or I can use, like, let's say the CVS, and we are gonna run this like this. As you can see, the templates here are 8. Again, let's say if you want to search for the honeypot, you can go to the network template and choose the honeypot again. So here, let's see what we have in the CVE. Like, for example, let's go here. We have this. HTTP server for Cisco iOS. Allow attackers to bypass authentications and execute. Okay. So now our tool is searching in this template, searching on all of this. So here we don't have a result. Better luck next time. So let's say that we have a file, like the file that I have here, domain txt. Now in this file I have just 2 URL. Now let's say you have like 14 subdomains or 5 domains or something like that. So we can make the tool check the file, this, or all the URL in the same time. We're just gonna replace this flag with the L and put the file. So let's say here, let's start this. As you can see here, the target, we have 2 HTTPX. He found 2 URL are valid. So as you can see here, the template that the tool now used is 321. The previous command, it used just an 8 template. So we are just gonna wait for the result. So I'm just gonna show you the command that I used to find that template here. You can just copy this, open another terminal here, and just sudo find. As you can see here, find / name, the name of the template, and we are just gonna start. And there we are, the first result here. just gonna wait for the results. I think now we don't need the wait flag over here. Just let the tool search on all of the template. We are gonna start now. It's taking time because we're starting from the low. Okay. Okay, here we go. As you can see, low in Google, low in Google, again low in Amazon. Is like testing the two URL at the same time, and he's gonna search for all the available vulnerabilities in the low and move on to the medium and like that. So another flag that we can use in this tool is the TL. Is going to show us the valid template. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Go and check this tool and try to use it. It's gonna help you a lot with your search for the vulnerabilities and for bugs. And I see you in the next one.